Alright guys, welcome back. Hey, I'm really sorry the last video took so long. That was almost 8 minutes. If you didn't watch it and you kept your social media icons at the footer, disregard what I'm saying right now. Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about pages. I want to create pages and I want to add them to our menu right here. And again, remember our menu is static. This is all part of our header. This isn't going to go anywhere. We click on sample page. This still looks the exact same. Obviously, they auto-populate whatever default sample page that WordPress comes with. So let's go to our back end, and the first thing I want to do is delete our sample page. So go to pages, and I promise this video will not be long. Sample page, we'll click on that, and we'll click trash. And I don't know what I want to make for this website. We can make like a house or a window cleaning website, or a house cleaning website, or a computer programming website, or a video game website. So I think I'm just going to lean towards that. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a new page, and I will call this, video games. I'll click over here on the right, publish. I'll go add new, and I'll call this Apple products. That's what we'll run with. We'll run with just kind of like a multimedia website, and we'll sell products on it, or maybe we'll just blog. Maybe we'll just offer information, free information in the free world. Apple products. Publish this. Let's look at our pages right now. So we have Apple products and video games, and I'll create another page called computer programming. Computer programming. And we'll publish that. And I'm going to create one more page called Nintendo Wii. Nintendo Wii. Let's go ahead and publish that. And let's go back to our front end right now. Let's reload it. So this should be deleted, and then video games, Apple products, and computer programming should be right here. So let's go ahead and reload it. There it is, Apple products, computer programming, Nintendo Wii, and video games. Well, Nintendo Wii is kind of a subsidiary of video games. So let me show you something. Let's go to our Nintendo Wii page and say that we didn't want this to be right here. We wanted this to be a part of video games. Well, WordPress is really cool in the way that we can do this cool JavaScript. So what I want to do is I want to go down to page attributes, and I want to create this page be a parent of video games. So go ahead and click on video games, and we'll update this. And now let's go back to our front end. Let's reload this. Nintendo Wii isn't there anymore, but let's hover over video games. Check it out. There's our Nintendo Wii page. How cool is that? Hover over it so we could have, I don't know, Nintendo DS or PSP down there, or PlayStation 3, whatever you want to do. Again, there's no right and wrong. We're just kind of making this fictional website just to show how WordPress operates. Say that we didn't want to have our blog on our homepage. So let's go to our back end. Now let's go down to settings, and let's go to general. No, not that. We'll go to settings, and we'll go down to reading. And it says your front page displays your latest post. And again, posts or blogs. So let's say that we didn't want our blog to be on that. We wanted our blog to be on our computer programming page. Let's go ahead and save the changes. Let's reload it now. And what happened? Okay, so our computer program, I don't want to do that. No. I'll just keep our blog on our homepage. Sorry about that. Let me save the changes right here. Hopefully everything will come back. Okay, so Apple products, computer programming, video games. I'm not too familiar with this theme right now, so I'm sure if we went into theme options, homepage, we could I guess we'll talk about this in the next video. But let's start making our website look good right now, because we have our logo, our very horrible logo. We have our social media icons. We have a homepage that displays hello world and all this yada yada yada, desktop, phone, tablet. And then down here we have our widgets, which is where we can just advertise more products or advertise different parts of our business. So that's it for pages. So hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. We created our pages up here. We have Nintendo Wii as a child page to our parent page, video games. Alright guys, good luck with this. I'll see you in the next video.